Hi and welcome to DFM. Today I'll walk you through the roles and permissions component of DFM. To get started, navigate to the Roles and Permissions tab where you can manage access to various DFM components. Here you'll find different sections like clusters, process groups, user management, roles and permissions, and more. From this interface, you can define who has access to what, whether it's managing permissions for a cluster or controlling access to a process group. To update access for a specific role, simply select the role you want to modify. Once selected, you can either add or remove permissions as needed, and then click on Save Changes to update the access rights. For instance, if I remove a certain permission and save the changes, the role's access will be updated accordingly. You can also manage roles directly. If you need to create a new role, simply add it here. For example, if I create a test role, it gets added successfully, and just like any other role, I can then assign permissions to it and save the changes. If you want to manage cluster level permissions, go to the Manage Cluster List section, where you'll see all available clusters. The process remains the same. Select the role, update or delete permissions as needed, and save the changes. And that's how you manage roles and permissions in DFM. I hope this video was helpful. I will see you in the next one.